Good afternoon. What's going on, you guys? Welcome to a beautiful day here in the Philippines. We're at my house right now. The boys are out by the pool, hanging out over there, chilling, jamming. And today is another one of my 30 for 30 10-minute vlogs, showing you what life is like for an expat millennial American who lives here in the Philippines. I live on the island of Bohol, here in the town of Ginbunmin, and we are going to take a quick 20-minute ride up through the mountains to one of my favorite waterfalls on earth and go swim in the waterfall for a little bit. 10 minutes in paradise. Let's go, guys. Yeah, mga pon. It was always just a trail before. Nice. This is the top side of Kinahugan Falls here on the outskirts of the backside of Hagna, the city of Hagna here in Bohol. I've been coming here for about 2 years now. My house is about 20 minutes that way. Again, just like we're seeing with some of the other tourist spots, man, things are growing and industrializing really quickly. Just like with Cabignao Cave Pool, they have a whole road all the way to the cave pool now, and now here at Kinahugan Falls, it used to be just this little trail or path that went down, and now they've carved out the whole side of the hillside here, and now they're concreting down the whole thing. It's quite impressive, actually. It'll be interesting to see why. I mean, I guess that helps with parking, but there's literally almost like no parking down there right now. This is what the second half of the trail looks like, and this is what it used to look like the whole way. It was nice. You could just bring a bike down here, but if it was muddy, you had to park up on the road. One of the biggest reasons why I love Kinahugan so much is because, as you can see clearly, it is a very quiet one. It's a very peaceful waterfall. It tends to be a locals only waterfall, like only the Boholanos that know where this place is come, and then of course all the locals come here. It is all artisanal. It's all spring water from the top of the mountain, of course now mixed with a little bit of rain. All right, you guys, I am officially here. We're at the top of the waterfall. This is the upper relaxation pool right here. Now, actually mid-level pool. There is another set of pools higher up. The water flow is so low right now. Ironically, with all this monsoon rain we're having, none of it's actually landing on this side of the mountain peak right here. It's all on the other side of the mountain peak. So it's just spring water flowing right now, which means it's super clear. Like, it's crazy how clear the water is. I'm gonna put the camera in the case here, which muffles the audio, but we can go play in the water. Let's go for a swim. Oh my God, it's gonna be cold! Wow. Oh my God, okay, let's go! This is what it's all about, baby. It's just a little afternoon. I felt like cooling off. Waterfall time. The water flow level is so low. I mean, I can just walk right up the path, back up the waterfall. Normally it's so heavy flow, you don't even see the rock. That was awesome. Woo. All right, you guys, that's wrapping it up here. Thank you so much for watching. Please sure to hit that like button, subscribe, and if you want to become a member to get all kinds of sweet background access, behind the scenes, sweet updates, private live streams, percentage discounts on merch that we have coming out, and early access to all of my videos ad-free, hit the join button. If you're on an Apple or an iPhone Mac product, you have to go to the website browser, log into your YouTube there, and then hit the join button. I have memberships for only 99 cents, or literally 50 pesos. If you're in the Philippines, 50 pesos for a monthly membership. If you're in America, 99 cents. Let's go. Click that join button now. We'll see you tomorrow, baby. Woo!